I think, okay, now it's on. Yeah, okay, here we go.
Recording?
That's my son with his...
Ready?
He doesn't even have a license yet, but here he goes. Not too bad. About 4,600 RPM, 4,800 on the 292. And this is the wore out version.
Well, it's only 90 pounds of compression.
Yeah, got about 90 pounds of compression. Doesn't too bad. Here, slow down. Go stop again, and then we'll do it again. Just come down to a stop. And, see if I can hold on to this
Don't
thing.
make the video too long because I got it.
Okay. Anyway, here we go. There's a little better view on the tack here. Okay. Not bad. Anyway, go ahead and shut it off. All right.
Talk to you guys later.
Bye for now.